Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board hakajigi stock tilang bat Huladik Recycling Private Limited mentakasi kala pelong ya ke Prokram ai Jinghikai na bentaban sam jing tip sigi patba kum kajing persang ban berat adakar ki tiar elektronik ki belajat lani ki e-waste kenang ban om keta ai kamariang hakapor balapli perdai kani ke Prokram la pelat patba ru ya ki e-waste bin lani ki jaka berat ya ki e-waste kani ke jinglek ketemu ban penslur ya baro ki bedon bentaban pendon kami ki ha ke ban berat iki tiar jongki ki belajat ki bakentop ye ki kortiliat bam ki belarim ki tiar komputer ki charger ki battery bat ki ya ki bangimla syu ban pendon kam hapo ki yang kisem ki jongi hagajuk kopor unandal mal ubade managing director jangko Huladek ula pentip beklabu thong banbo hadu sanpau teli ki jaka bret ye kini ki terjot lani ki e-waste bin hakeleng ke jela.
Who've been working with us, and we feel that the entire Northeast is quite, unaware, or the level of recycling of electronic waste is currently quite low. So we wanted to spread that word and also ensure that maximum e-waste from all of Northeast, specifically from Meghalaya, gets recycled, and we continue to enjoy the nature that we've seen growing up, and we don't end up losing it. That's the whole idea.